What if every sales call had a silent copilot boosting your success in real time? Picture this. While you talk, an AI assistant listens and guides you, handling tough objections, suggesting smart responses, and even sensing your buyer's mood and intent, all without interrupting. Cluely's real-time sales copilot offers live cues, instant rebuttals, and emotion-driven insights designed to make every pitch smarter and more effective. From instant call summaries to competitor battle cards, it's like having a secret sales expert on every call. Welcome to the future of intelligent sales conversations.